if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How I'm making to be an optimist about this. How I'm making to be an optimist about this. Oh, where do we begin? The rubble. Lights go down and I hear you calling to me, yeah. So if I fly